Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to analyze gold and we are going to start analysis with the help of week candle. And before that, I would like to welcome to our channel SVP Trades here. And this is a support line. Here we can see the price. We are expecting to come the price around 2005. So once the price come to this zone, then we can plan our trade for buying. As of now, market opened with gap up, and we can see the similar candle at a little bit higher at the position 2031. So once it's going to break this resistance zone around 2038, then we can plan for bigger move. Until then we didn't see any bigger move. We can get more precise with the help of day candle. In day candle, here we can see the price is ranging in the zone and it's forming some triangular pattern. This is a downtrend and this is a uptrend. So it forming some triangular pattern. Once it's going to break this zone, we can plan our trade. And since few weeks there is no big movement in the market for that, and we go with H4 so that we can do our day trading and scalping too. So in day H4 candle, this is a support zone. This is a support zone, and now the price is at 2032, and our price our support zone is at 2029.8, means around 2030. So when we open H1 candle, here we can see this is a support zone, and just now I took a trade around here and my stop loss is around 2029.5 and my target is this level. But I have two targets. One I'm going to cut around this zone, and next one is here. So its ratio is around 1:4, and let's see how the market going to behave here. We have to find some opportunities, and I took some opportunity here because of this price getting consolidated over this zone. After this rejection candle, I have took this position. I hope this trade going to be win. Yeah, thank you.